Hello everyone, Kamil here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing the antiseptic bar of soap by Morfosoaps. So antiseptic soap is a simple bar. It has activated charcoal, it has turmeric powder. So I'll just explain what's going on here. So we have the batter. This is the oils and butters. We have shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, and all of them mixed with coconut milk, aloe vera juice. On the side I have a pitcher for the lye water solution that has the Tassa silk in it, so all this will go into here. But before that I have two more additives that we put into the soap. It's kaolin clay and colloidal oatmeal. So I'll add them into the oils, and then we will stick blend this one. After we stick blend this one, we add the lye water solution. We also stick blend a little bit until emulsion. When we have the whole batter emulsified, that means the oils and water and everything, like the saponification reaction started, that's when we will remove a little bit amount into this pitcher. We will add to this one the turmeric powder. We have organic turmeric powder that we added here. And to the big one, we will put in the activated charcoal. And this is the mix of essential oils. So we are using lemon essential oil, eucalyptus essential oil, and tea tree essential oil. I will put a little bit description of each one of them with their properties in the description box. That's where the antiseptic property of this bar comes from. Basically the mix of essential oil, the turmeric powder, activated charcoal, a lot of properties of this bar. This is one of our very famous bars of soaps, and I would say one of the top sellers alongside with the lavender charcoal. But yes, so I will get started by stick blending, and like I said, I will move the video faster, and the pour into the mold will be a simple drop swirl. So after I have the two parts, one with activated charcoal is going to be black, and one with the turmeric is going to be almost brownish in color. I will pour them into a drop swirl and then texture the top, and I'll see you again tomorrow with the cut of the soap. Hello again. This is Camille from Morfosoaps. That's the next day, and we are cutting. Let me move this for you so you can see it clearly. This is the antiseptic soap that we did yesterday, and that's the cut. Here we go. So that was a drop swirl. You can see, probably you can, yeah, the turmeric inside of it. So pretty. Gave it some swirls. And that's our soap for today, the antiseptic soap by Morfosoaps. Until next week, I'll see you again with another video. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay safe, positive, and keep smiling. Bye for now.